Dyson cordless vacuums are popular for their convenience, but battery problems are one of the most common issues users face. A typical Dyson battery lasts between 3 to 5 years, but this lifespan can vary significantly based on how you use and maintain your vacuum. Before assuming your battery is completely dead, it's important to troubleshoot other potential issues that might be causing problems. Several factors can significantly affect your battery's lifespan and performance. The most common culprits are overcharging, deep discharging, and exposure to extreme temperatures. Dyson batteries have LED indicators that provide valuable information about charging status and potential problems. Pay attention to these visual cues. Dyson vacuums have a built-in safety feature that prevents the vacuum from turning on when the battery isn't working correctly. This protects both the vacuum and the user. Regular cleaning and maintenance of your vacuum, including filters and brush bars, can significantly reduce strain on the battery and extend its life. Now we'll learn how to reset and properly maintain your Dyson battery to extend its lifespan and restore performance. Before resetting your battery, complete these troubleshooting steps. Check that your charger is properly connected, clean the battery contacts to remove dirt, test a different power outlet, and ensure there are no blockages in the vacuum's airway. Ensure your Dyson charger is functioning properly and making good contact with the charging pins. For a basic battery reset, first remove the battery from your vacuum if possible. Wait 15 seconds to allow the system to fully discharge. Then reinsert the battery firmly and place it on the charger. If the basic reset doesn't work, try a complete discharge and recharge cycle. Run your vacuum until the battery completely dies and it stops working. Allow the vacuum to cool down completely, then charge it uninterrupted to 100%. This recalibrates the battery's charge monitoring system. To maintain your battery's health, store your vacuum in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Avoid extreme temperatures. Don't overcharge or completely drain the battery regularly, and use your vacuum frequently to keep the battery active. If troubleshooting and resetting don't resolve the issues, it may be time to replace your battery. Look for signs like very short runtime, inability to hold charge, frequent overheating, or if your battery is over 3 to 5 years old. Always use genuine Dyson batteries for best performance and safety.